Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. As you know from the title of the video, we are going to be doing an Hermes unboxing. So this is a special video and this is a special bag as well. And you can also say that this is also beginning of my Hermes journey. So as you know, I love investing in luxury bags and I have quite a few in my collection. I have sold so many of them because I stopped liking them. So over the years I have realized that I am more into classic styles and my style has changed over the years. So my choices have also changed and now I feel more inclined towards styles that are classic and I can continue wearing year after year, and I don't really have to look to sell them after wearing for a year or two. So as you know, every Hermes bag has a story behind it and this one is not any different. So I went to Bombay to Hermes store and we were just looking for their new collection, and I did ask for this bag, but at that time there were no bags available, and also I did not have any contact or any essay who would help me out whenever the bag was available or if they have anything that would interest me. So the essay that I met there was very nice. I did share my contact with him and I also requested him a couple of times, so like whenever he gets this bag or whenever he has something new that I liked, I would love to buy it because there are not many Hermes store in India. So there are only 2 or 3 in the metropolitan cities. I think one is in Bombay, one is in Delhi. So there are only 2 stores and the people who want to buy from there are so many. So they're serving, throughout India. From these 2 stores only, so it becomes really difficult for the essays also to handle all the queries, and I do understand it's very difficult task, but once you visit the store and you tell them what you really want, they do pay attention to it. Sometimes what happens is my initial essay with the was in Delhi, and whenever I went to Delhi I was not able to meet her because either she was on a leave or these essays will keep changing their jobs. I was not able to make any connection with any of the essays, but this one was very different. So I had been to the Bombay Hermes store like about 3 times now, and every time I go there I am successfully able to meet and convey my wish list to my essay. So when this bag came to him, he texted me that I have a good news for you, because there were a couple of times wherein I had intimated him about keeping my request in mind. So see, you always have to tell them that you really want something. It's not that they're not going to offer you, it's that they should know that you really want it and you just are not making one-time contact and just telling them to keep you in mind whenever the stock comes. So I had contacted him and I have asked him how he was doing and if there was anything that he would like to offer me. But then after, I believe, Diwali, I gave him my best wishes, and then he told me that he was on leave and could not reply to my previous messages, but he had a good news for me, which was this that I'm holding in my hands. So when the essay offers you something from Hermes, it has to be yes or no on the spot. You don't really have to say yes to everything they offer because of course you can't spontaneously spend so much because these bags are not cheap. But yes, if it is something that was on your wish list, they will be offering you that, or sometimes they don't offer you the same colors because that is what they have in stock. It's not that they're intentionally not offering you, it's just what they get in the stock and they offer you. So when he offered me this bag, he only told me the color and I searched for it online. He sent me a picture. I'm going to insert that picture here, which was not doing any justice to this bag. But I knew it is a light shade and it will very well gel with my existing wardrobe and is something that I'll be able to carry. So without making you further, obviously I've already opened this bag. As you can see, there is no ribbon around it. So I asked him to, I said yes to him for the bag, and then I made the payment and everything online. So, oops. So this is the bill and the receipt that you have just seen fell down. So this is the ribbon that came with it, and this is basically the bag. So now it is not a Birkin or a Kelly, of course, that's my first bag. So here it is. It is picotan in very light pastel color. It's a sea green color. No, it did not come with this twilly. I did order it and I have tied it myself. I'm not sure if I've done the job well or not. So this one comes with this silver hardware with this lock which you can open and close. Basically it helps to keep the bag secure because it keeps this strap hold. Whenever you want to open the bag, you can just pull it and open it as much. So I've also added this bag organizer that I ordered online. So it was quite difficult to get the size that would actually fit this bag because of the shape of the bag. So yeah, I wanted initially a nude color, but I couldn't order it because it was out of stock. But I did manage to get a grey one. I believe looks very nice with this. So an organizer helps to keep the things in place and you're able to find them very quickly in bags like this, which is more like a tote bag. So this is how it looks, and you just have to pull this strap whenever you want to make it less bulky, or you want to secure the top of it. So I believe I have turned the organizer, yes. So this is how it looks. You must have seen it online. I really love the shape of the bag, and I don't have any bag with silver hardware, and I believe with this color, silver should be the best hardware. I cannot imagine this bag with the golden hardware. So this is how it looks. I'm just going to take out the organizer and show you the interior. So this is how it looks without the organizer. This is the interior of the bag. It's more like untreated leather from inside, and this one is in Togo leather, and that's about it. There is nothing much to talk about this bag. There are no pockets inside, there's nothing. It's more like a tote bag that you can handle. Of course it doesn't come with any of the straps, but I have seen people put an organizer in it which comes with the loops on the side, and they put a strap on it and they hang it. But honestly, I would love to carry it like this, and the handle is not big enough that you can carry it on your shoulder. So this is picotan and it's 16 size. It is the smallest size that is available, and yes, that's about it. There is this, the bag has feet also, so when you put it on a table, it is not going to fall and it is not going to get dirty from the base. And then you have this hard bottom at the end of the bag, which kind of gives it its shape, as you can see. Yeah, so the twilly doesn't come with it, the twilly is additional. And yes, you can see it is a nice color which you can very easily pull off most year round, except for very cold months wherein you are going to wear dark clothes. But as you can see, I'm wearing something which is white in winters as well, and if I'm going for a lunch date, I would love to carry it. And it is a color which is not usual, and I have not seen a lot of people carry it. Most people prefer buying a cherry color or a brown color, which is like a gold color for Hermes. And yeah, I am really happy that he offered me this bag, because I am also a basic person. I would have never opted for this color if it was available on the shop on display, or it was available to buy on a shop, on their shop. But yes, when he offered me, I jumped with joy, because I was really looking forward to buy this. And because I love this bag because of the capacity, and it is something I don't have in my collection. And then apart from that, this is something which is like a new color for the season, and I'm really happy that it is dual tone. It has a dual tone strap, unlike the other ones which are like the same color. So I was glad I made this decision. After getting the offer for this, he also offered me another bag which was like Kelly pochette clutch. If I'm going to insert a picture for it. It was in Togo leather. It was in Etoop color, which is like one of my favorite colors, and I'm really looking to get my Birkin or Kelly in Etoop leather, Etoop color only. But I was not able to buy both the bags at the same time. Like, they were offered within a span of a week to me, and it was like quite expensive bag. So I had to say no to that bag, because I already said yes to this bag. So if I had not said yes to this earlier, I might have considered buying it. But again, I am really happy that I made this choice. I'm really happy that I bought this bag. I'm really happy that I have been able to start my journey with Hermes. So I am not somebody who is very keen in buying a Kelly, honestly. Hermes and Kelly, these bags are very structured. These bags are classic. They don't go out of style, but they also have a fixed personality, if you know what I mean. So when you're carrying them, you have to be prim and proper, because I don't believe as a casual person you can carry a Birkin and walk around in your flip-flops. But you can do it if you want to. But in my opinion, I would love to have a Birkin, which would be my work bag, or which would be something to add on to my personality when I am going for a meeting or business or somewhere very professional. It is a bag, I don't think, which you can carry to dinners or parties. It is professional looking bags. Both of them are professional looking bags. Even the mini Callie's more of a professional looking than a fun bag. So yes, you have to style them very nicely and elegantly, so that you can bring out your look also with the help of the bag. Yes, one day I would love to own a Birkin. I have started my journey with them, and I have also ordered few other things which I'm going to show you in the next video. So hopefully by the end of this year I should have what I really want. And yeah, even if I don't have any regrets, because my world is not going to end without them. I do like having bags which can be used as investment pieces, but again, it's not the end of the world. It is not something I am keen in investing. I am more interested in having something that I can wear and see myself style every day. I should be able to pick up my bags with joy and feel good when I'm carrying them, when I'm styling them. That's about it. It could be any bag, it could be any brand, it could be local sourced brand. I just want that my bags should speak the quality, the language of quality, then the language of brands. So this bag itself, as you can see, has no logo. So it is not in your face. If you know it, you know it. If you know the shape, you know what bag it is. And if you don't know, then you don't know. So having said that, I am more inclined towards bags that you can style every day effortlessly, and you don't really have to think twice before carrying them if you are going to a grocery shopping or local market, because the logo is like shouting very clearly that you're carrying an expensive bag. So that's what I like about this bag, and that's why I wanted this bag more than any other bag. So one of the bags that is really very precious and something that has been on my wish list forever. It is something that I want more than Birkin also, is an Hermes Constance, because of its structure, because of how the clean lines on it, the logo, everything is very very classic about that bag, and you can really style it up and down because it's a crossbody bag. It is not something you're going to carry in your hand all the time, so you can dress it up casually as well, like a crossbody bag. Then you can shorten the strap, or make it as a clutch, whatever you want. But that is a bag that has always caught my eyes. Every time I see it, my heart goes boom boom looking at that bag. And there are very very few bags that really excite me, and I really look forward to getting them. So I am hoping that one of these two bags will be in my bag collection by the end of this year. And yes, let me know how you like this purchase, and if you have any questions about it, if you have any questions about how I was able to get this bag, or anything you want to ask, just drop in the comment box below. I would be happy to answer. And let me know how you liked my unboxing, this bag, and your views. And thank you so much for joining in this chatty video that I made today. And until next time, bye bye and have a good day.